Celebrating 42 years of excellence. Perseverance to achieve perfection. While other reputed companies manufacturing mechanical press brakes and mechanical shears had to collaborate with foreign manufacturers to manufacture hydraulic press brakes and hydraulic shears, NuGEN Machineries Ltd indigenously designed, introduced, and pioneered the rear cylinder hydraulic press brakes and variable rake angle hydraulic shears in India nearly 4 decades ago, which revolutionized Indian press brake and shear technology from mechanical to hydraulic. The ram, driven by synchronous hydraulic cylinders on both the sides, is the component of the hydraulic press brake's driving mechanism to apply pressure. Ram-mounted punch positioned on the top bends the metal sheet by punching it onto the die, a table bottom mount tool, which provides the necessary bending angles to the metal sheet. Trimans hydraulic press brakes can bend the metal multiple times, till the desired and required shape is achieved. Trimans hydraulic press brakes, from NuGEN Machineries Ltd, are very powerful, and offer unbeatable flexibility, as they can bend materials like mild steel and stainless steel. Trimans PBR NC 4025, featured in this video, is equipped with Cyberlek touchscreen controller that can memorize 50 punches, 50 dies, 200 programs, 24 sequences, and 10 materials. Trimans numerically controlled hydraulic press brakes come equipped with high-precision magnetic linear scales. Feature twin rear-mounted hydraulic cylinders and a torsion bar, or torque tube, for synchronization and ram parallelism. NuGEN has been a trendsetter, and this itself goes to prove the superiority of our technology, innovative vision, robust product lineup, unmatched craftsmanship, and a dedicated after-sales support and service, which are at par with the international standards in this sector. Trimans PBR NC 4025, featured in this video, is equipped with safety light curtains, also known as photoelectric finger guards. The tough, robust, and strong welded structure is made out of IAS 2062, silicon-killed and ultrasonically, physically and chemically tested steel plates to withstand continuous stress and strain under full load at minimum deflection.
NuGEN machine structures are designed keeping in mind the highest factor of safety and lowest deflections. Keeping in mind the weight and durability factor of machines, we prioritize longevity, accuracy, precision, and performance.
Located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India, NuGEN Machineries Ltd is an ISO 9001:2015 company, certified by DNV. Apart from 2,000+ installations in India, Trimans hydraulic press brakes and hydraulic shears from NuGEN Machineries Ltd have also been exported to Malaysia, Turkmenistan, Kuwait, Tanzania, Bahrain, Dubai, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, South Africa, Sultanate of Oman, Qatar, Ethiopia, Jordan, Ghana, Zimbabwe, Europe, and the United States of America. Machines we manufacture. Trimans conventional hydraulic press brakes. Trimans numerically controlled NC hydraulic press brakes. Trimans CNC Synchro hydraulic press brakes. Trimans fixed rake angle conventional, and NC hydraulic shears. Trimans, variable rake angle, NC, and CNC hydraulic shears. Trimans, extra edge, NC, and CNC hydraulic shears.
NuGEN Machineries Ltd. Dedicated to creating better technology, to ensure better results. NuGEN Machineries Ltd. Innovation, perfection, reliability.